mellow. So, bubble wrap, you know it. The good stuff. I should have had some on hand, but that's not in our budget. This poppy stuff, the packing stuff. Little bubbles in plastic, you pop it. Where the hell did that come from? Who invented it? What's the history? Let's find out. So bubble wrap started in 1957 as textured wallpaper. Two guys, Alfred Fielding and Marc Chauvenet, a Swiss chemist, were trying to make textured wallpaper. In the 50s, I guess that's what you did. You had your new fancy plastic and you wanted some weird, wild stuff on your walls. So they put two plastic shower curtains together, and with a heat sealing machine, they were disappointed with their results. They had basically a sheet of film with bubbles trapped in it. Disappointing for wallpaper. But they thought there could be some uses for this. In fact, they thought of over 400 different uses for this stuff. One of them being greenhouse insulation, I guess, but that didn't work very well. That was about as good as the wallpaper idea. But nevertheless, they got a few patents for the process of making this stuff and the equipment of like laminating the plastic together with air in between. And in 1960, they founded their company, Sealed Air Corporation. And they actually called it bubble wrap right from the start. But they still didn't know what the heck they would use this stuff for. It wasn't until a whole year later until they decided, we can use this stuff for packing materials. And that was the big moment. That was when they realized they had something really good here. So it started when IBM came out with their 1401 unit, a computer that was delicate, and they needed to ship this thing. And they realized bubble wrap was the perfect solution to wrap up that fragile computer. And then this just really opened the door for a ton of other companies to start using bubble wrap to ship their stuff. Because before bubble wrap, the best way to surround something and protect it during shipping was with balled up newspaper. Nothing. Bubble wrap was a godsend for these guys, for all these small businesses who needed to ship stuff. And the newspaper ink would rub off on the products. No good. And so they started to expand. They got more shapes, sizes, thicknesses, strengths, bigger bubbles, smaller bubbles, wide sheets, short sheets, big rolls, little rolls. It's a Dr. Seuss book of bubble wrap. And of course, people gradually start to discover the joy of popping those little bubble wrap air bubbles. And that was really it. The company just kept growing and growing. And the Sealed Air Corporation still exists today. It's a Fortune 500 company with $4.5 billion of bubble wrap sales. Or sales. A lot of it's bubble wrap, I'm sure. But I'm really interested in their idea about 3D textured wallpaper. And I can't seem to find a photo of it. But I guess you could just put bubble wrap on your walls if you wanted to. Although I guess you'd probably have to continually be telling your guests to stop popping your wallpaper. That's the fatal flaw with bubble wrap wallpaper. It would all be deflated in a matter of weeks. Who can resist popping bubble wrap? Maybe that's an idea. A subscription service for bubble wrap wallpaper. You put up a new wallpaper roll of bubble wrap wallpaper once a month. Interactive 3D wallpaper. Now that would be fun. Well, that's really all there is to bubble wrap. Pretty simple invention story, but a good one. Starting off as shower curtains and trying to be wallpaper. And a great success story. Who doesn't love and use bubble wrap today? Well, that's all the bubble wrap info I got for you. Let me know if I missed anything in those comments below. Thanks. So long. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy. And these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats. And all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video. And this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay. I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button. Subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video. And I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.